Hello everyone, I am showing you a very annoying bug I have on my iPhone 5S running iOS 7.1. It happens that every 1 of 10 or 14 keyboard clicks turns randomly louder, and that can be very disturbing when I'm writing a text. So far the only solution to this problem seems to be to delete the preference file called com.apple.celestial from the iPhone's preferences folder. The problem is that your iPhone either has to be jailbroken for that, or you use the iBackupBot utility to delete that preference file from your recent iTunes backup, then restoring that backup to your iPhone again. For some reason, that fixed my problem, but only for one day. Please tell me if any one of you has the same problem and knows a better solution to this. Thank you for your attention.